Hi, I'm Angela, but most people call me Ange. I'm on the go to one of United Way of Greater Stark County's partners. These are the folks helping to build a stronger community. Let's learn more about them. I'm really excited that you are here today to talk with us about Shipley, because I think probably a lot of people don't know about Shipley and just its history and the importance.
So we've been doing great work for 54 years. And throughout 54 years, you would think more in the community would know about us. I don't blame the community at all, and I don't really blame anybody, but the fact that we're located off of downtown, far enough, hidden in an old retired elementary school with huge rainbows, by the way. So like we shouldn't be hidden, doing the great work that we're doing. And that's a safety net pediatric clinic at the core.
So Margaret, and her deep passion for children and the level of poverty in Stark County at the time, Margaret reached out to her civic group and said, we've got to solve this problem. Kids are going to school without physical exams, without immunizations, and we need an answer. She went back to medical school and devoted 8 years of experience to the clinic. It was first in a house, and then we graduated to a retired elementary school where we still are today. So we operate with a nursing staff, an LPN, and 2 medical assistants. We have 6 exam rooms, all cutely decorated according to age. We serve babies from birth until roughly 18, but most don't want to leave us, so they're here until the age of 21.
I often share this quote from Stephen Baldwin that these are all our children. We'll either profit from or pay for what they become. And it's not about my kid, your kid. These are all our kids.
And I say this a lot. I say there's no other entity that sees them on the level that we see them as often as we see them. We see them, in a gown. We see them without a gown. We talk to them privately. We talk to their parents privately. We wrap our arms around these families.
We serve a great mission here at Shipley. We see just anybody that needs care. It's kind of a catch-all for those that can't find care elsewhere. So I love that mission because no kid is ever wanting for medical need around this area if they're seeking us out, because we don't turn anybody away.
Our mission and our kids, our families make it special. We're here for the kids, and everything we do is for the kids.
We care about not just the patient that we see that's our patient, but we also care about the whole family and making sure that, mom has been going through things. We want to make sure that she's taken care of. If not, then we have an amazing care coordinator who is able to help them get connected to different resources in the community, whether it be housing, food, transportation, any of those different things.
If Shipley didn't exist, there would be a lot of children that don't get the health care that they need.
With Cameron, he has special needs and stuff like that, and they've been very, very tentative to him. There was a time that we had an appointment and he wasn't feeling well, and he started passing out, and they were able to rush us right in the back and be able to get to him right away. And that was nice to know, and that was great. And they've been with us every step of the way through his different challenges and his journey in life.
Obviously right now, I think everybody realizes that we're living in this state of uncertainty, just as we look at potential state budgets, federal budgets, and what that means.
Will Shipley survive? Yes. We have for 54 years. We surpassed COVID and everything else that has went on. We were born out of an institution that didn't have insurance. I'm not really nervous about that because I think our community would step up. Thank you for this opportunity, because the more people know about us, the better our community will be. Because if we do not care for them now, what will they become?
Thanks for visiting another community partner with us. Join us next time to see who else is making a positive difference in Greater Stark County.